Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another day of meal prep. Today I prepped a giant batch of chicken nuggets for the freezer. I've shared these nuggets before. I'll link the full recipe in the description box below. These are a staple in our home. All three of my kids love them. However, preparing these can be tedious work, so I wanted to come up with a few different meals to make from them, which is what I'll be sharing with you today. So let's jump right in. I love having vegetables for salads ready and waiting in my fridge. This is my go-to combination of vegetables for salads. Frozen peas and corn are freezer staples. I just rinse to thaw and then let them air dry on a kitchen towel while I prepare the rest of the vegetables. I have found storing my salad in glass jars like this helps to preserve it. This will last us up to 4 days in the fridge. When we're ready for salads, I just spoon these vegetables over a bed of lettuce. Top with chicken nuggets and your favorite salad dressing. Everything's better with bacon. Whenever I have this salad in my fridge and I'm frying up bacon, I try to remember to reserve a few pieces for later. Boiled eggs are another great way to add protein to this salad. I always keep a few in the fridge as they make great protein-packed and filling snacks as well. For the perfect easy-to-peel eggs, I gently place cold eggs from the fridge into boiling water. As you can see, a few of them may crack a bit. Cover and set your timer for 12 minutes. Now, immerse them in ice water for at least 5 minutes. This gives me the perfect eggs every time. Look how easily the shell comes right off of that egg. Out of 8 eggs I boiled, 2 of them cracked, but they're still totally edible. Let's not forget the croutons. These are so easy to whip up if you have a leftover loaf of bread. Slice your bread into cubes, drizzle them with a little oil, and season them. I'm using salt, pepper, garlic, and parsley. Toss the coat, then spread them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Take them out halfway through and give them a toss. Once they're completely cooled, I store them in a glass jar in my pantry. Whenever I make something all 3 of my kids will eat without complaint, I know I've got a keeper. Such is the case for this garlic honey glazed chicken. This sauce starts with minced or grated garlic. To a pan, add brown sugar, soy sauce, honey, that garlic, and rice vinegar. I always have these ingredients on hand for ramen bowls and my barbecue Korean short ribs in the crock pot. So if you like these flavors, I suggest you check out that video. I'll link it below. Let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in a cornstarch slurry with water. Continue to simmer and stir for a few more minutes. This sauce is so versatile. It can be used as a marinade or salad dressing. This would also be great on pork, meatballs, or shrimp. You can play around with the flavors. I added in a little fresh lemon juice. You could spice it up with a little sriracha or omit the soy sauce for a lower sodium coconut aminos. Some fresh ginger with the minced garlic would be good too. This will keep in the fridge for well over a week. When it comes time to serve, I reheat my desired amount of sauce, then toss to coat the nuggets. I served this with a bag of frozen broccoli and white rice. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for being here. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. I'll be back next week for more recipes, meal prep, and dinner inspiration.